What's up, everyone? If you're looking for a simple way to discover recipes, organize your cooking, and maybe even improve your daily meals, then you have probably come across the Recime app. But the big question is Recime actually worth downloading in 2026? Or it is just another recipe app you will delete after a week? In this video, I'll give you an honest Recime app review, covering how it works, its main features, pros and cons, pricing, and who it's best for. Let's get started. What is the Recime app? Recime app is a discovery and meal planning app designed to help users find, save, and cook meals more easily. The app focuses on easy to follow recipes, clean step by step instructions, personalized meal suggestions, helping both beginners and experienced cooks. It's available on Android and iOS, and it is mainly targeted at people who want simple, practical cooking help without overcomplicated features. How Recime works. Once you open the app, Recime asks a few basic questions like your cooking level, food preferences, dietary needs. After that, the app starts showing you recommended recipes based on your choices. You can browse recipes by category, you can search for specific meals, you can save recipes to your favorites, or you can even follow step by step cooking instructions while you cook. The interface is clean and beginner friendly, so you do not feel overwhelmed when using it. Key features of Recime. Recipe discovery. Recime offers a wide range of recipes, from quick meals to more detailed dishes. Most recipes focus on simple ingredients and easy steps, which is great for everyday cooking. Number 2, step-by-step cooking mode. This is one of Recime's strongest features. Instead of long paragraphs, the app breaks recipes into clear steps, making it easier to cook without constantly scrolling. Number 3, favorites and collections. You can save recipes you like and organize them, which is useful if you cook regularly or want to plan meals ahead. Personalized recommendations. The more you use the app, the better the suggestions become, based on what you view or save. Is Recime free? Recime offers a free version, but it comes with limitations. With the free plan, you get access to basic recipes, some features may be logged, and you may see ads. There is also a premium subscription, which actually includes full access to all recipes, ad-free experience, and advanced personalization features. Pricing may vary depending on your region, so always check inside the app before subscribing. Pros and cons. Now let's start with the pros. It's easy to use even for beginners, clean and modern interface, step-by-step cooking guidance, good variety of recipes, and useful for daily meal ideas. Cons. Some good features are locked behind a paywall, not ideal for professional chefs. Recipe selection may feel limited compared to big platforms. Plus, the free version includes ads. Who should download Recime? Recime is best for beginners who want simple cooking guidance, busy people looking for quick meal ideas, or anyone who wants an organized recipe app. It is not ideal if you are looking for extremely advanced recipes or professional level cooking tools. Final verdict. Overall, is Recime a solid and beginner-friendly recipe app? It is not perfect, but if you want simple meals, clean instructions, and an easy cooking experience, it is definitely worth trying, especially the free version. If you found the Recime app honest review helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments. Have you used Recime before or not? Thank you for watching, and goodbye.